Hey y'all, coming to you from International Headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the NSRA Street Rod National South Plus in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I came across a cool 1968 GMC C15 pickup truck I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around and take a quick look at it. Brother, what a cool truck.
Thank you, sir.
Man, tell me a little bit about it.
So customer Jeff Moody brought us this little project he had. He bought it originally in 1968, drove it through all his businesses and built his business off this truck, and he hired us to basically take a 68 GMC step side and make it something that can hit the road course and put some numbers down.
Wow, so what is that, 30 years ago, 50 years ago, something like that?
Yeah, some kind of math,
right?
yeah. Right.
And I never can do that when I'm doing an interview. I can't. I'm decent with math unless I'm trying to do it in something else. But he decided that he was going to keep this thing forever, and it made through all the bumps and bruises and everything. What condition was it in when you got it?
So the bed was a little rough. We had to replace, one of the rear fenders. It was actually a step side, had the spare tire mounted in the fender. So of course we had to get rid of that. Yeah, right. He didn't want to do that, but we had to get rid of that for the look we were going for. He had a wrecked C5, so we pulled basically all the driveline out of that, and Vet Nuts, actually local to the shop in Murfreesboro. He basically got us all set up with the motor, transmission, rear end, all the axles, sway bars, the whole shebang. And Eckert's out of Oregon built us a custom chassis. Okay. So it's all C5 Corvette running gear underneath, 14-inch Bayer brakes, LS6, running Nelson Racing, 60 millimeter mirror image turbos. Oh wow! So it's making some pretty good numbers down on the ground, and we'll see how it performs this year.
Right on. Have you done any other body modifications to it?
So all the engine bay is completely custom, all handmade sheet metal. Flush mounted the grill, flush mounted the bumpers, tucked everything as much as we could. A lot of little trick stuff on the bed to get it to look like it should have been done factory that way. Right. There's no open ends on the bed's pockets and stuff like that. So just
cleaned it up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, you don't have to do much to these pickup trucks.
Right. Yeah.
Is that where it sits, or is it on air?
No, that's where it sits.
Yeah?
Yeah, yep, running Bilsteins all the way around. It's it rides out phenomenal.
Right on. Tires and wheels, what about them?
So they're a US Mag 3-piece forged billet wheel. We had to get the offset because the track width on a C5 Vet's so wide, it basically gave us no lip on the wheels unless we narrowed the cradle, but the cradles were already done when we started taking on the project. So, cool. Yeah, we just made everything fit and tucked up real nice.
No, I think it turned out nice. What color is it?
It's actually a Tundra, Toyota Tundra 2021 brown. Okay. And then we tend to get a little bit darker so nobody could technically match the color.
Right. I got you. Keep that a secret.
Right.
Special mixture. I got it.
That's it.
What about the interior?
So it's a TMI kit, and we basically come with the color combination, and it just evolved into what it is. Brett at H&H Custom Upholstery in Smyrna, Tennessee, actually helped us out with the carpet because the floor had to be such modified to fit for all the tunnel, and motor set back 9.5 inches.
Right. So that whole interior is a kit?
It's a TMI kit. That's correct.
You painted a dash?
We did paint the dash.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a bronze color that matches the wheels and just matches really well with all the interior.
Yeah, no, it looks really good, man.
Thank you.
It fits the build.
Right. Thank you. Yes.
No, brother. Again, very cool truck, man.
Cool, man.
Thanks for giving me some time.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
So there you go, from the 2021 NSRA Street Rod National South Plus Knoxville, a 1968 GMC C15. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.